To naturally clean your microwave, use half a cup of vinegar, half a cup of water. Very dirty microwave. After 3 minutes, you let the vinegar and water mixture sit inside the microwave for another 2 minutes. And you can see the vinegar and water, steam everywhere. Now we clean it. How everything just comes off. Very easy. Just wipe it. It barely took any effort. All you had to do is just wipe with, you gotta use paper towels, but I'd rather use cloth. See, just clean it all. Very simple and easy. Just half a cup of vinegar and half a cup of water. You boil it for 3 minutes. You let it stand for 2 minutes after, and you just wipe it down.